Rising above it. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English idiom, rise above it. It's a phrase that carries a lot of weight and can be incredibly empowering. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. The phrase, rise above it, is used to express the act of overcoming or staying unaffected by a problem, challenge, or poor treatment. It suggests not allowing oneself to be dragged down by negativity or difficulties. While the exact origins of rise above it are not clear, the idea is rooted in the literal sense of rising above something physically. Metaphorically, it translates to elevating oneself above troubles or challenges. This phrase is particularly useful in situations of conflict, adversity, or negativity. When advising someone to stay positive and not let the situation bring them down, you might say, "You just have to rise above it." Let's look at some examples. After the unfair criticism, she decided to rise above it and continue her work with more determination. Despite the rumors at work, he chose to rise above it and not engage in the gossip. Remember, rise above it is about personal strength and resilience. It's not used to suggest physically moving above something or improving skills or status. I hope this video helps you understand and use rise above it in your daily conversations. Remember, it's all about overcoming challenges and staying positive. Thanks for watching, and keep rising above your challenges.